Hi, I'm Scott from Driven Properties. I'm here to show you around Chaimaa Premiere, our exciting new development here in Jumeirah Village Circle. This new residential complex is easily accessible through Al Khail Road and offers studio, 1 and 2 bedroom options. In order to create their vision of a perfect home, Chaimaa have blended Moroccan architecture with their vision of luxury, unparalleled here in Jumeirah Village Circle. Chaimaa Premiere brings you everything you'd expect and more, from the state-of-the-art gym, the indoor pool, and of course 24-hour security. Furthermore, we have a fantastic indoor courtyard, beautiful private terraces, and an incredible rooftop garden. With a great payment plan that allows owners to pay over 60% upon completion, you can also expect over 7% return on investment. With all this and more, Chaimaa Premiere promises to be a premier place for premier clients. For more information on Chaimaa Premiere, contact us at 800 Driven or 055 365 8402.